Not per se. Medical staff are generally trained at universities and nursing staff at nursing colleges, but we do have a lot of experienced people. For example, our nursing executive would do a certain amount of training in terms of courses rather than actual qualifications. Thank you for watching the video. In order to get your free ebook on pre-operational and operational hospital management, please click on the link below, or alternatively visit our website www.healthshare.co.za. See you soon.